now we will discuss about refrigerator and heat pump. Now we will discuss about refrigerator and heat pump. We know that naturally heat always flows from high temperature body to low temperature body. So naturally heat always flows from high temperature body to low temperature body. But if you want to transfer heat from low temperature body to high temperature body, then we require special type of devices. That devices are called as a refrigerator and heat pump. So what is my refrigerator and heat pump? The devices which transfer heat from low temperature body to high temperature body. That devices are called as the refrigerator and heat pump. First we will discuss about refrigerator. So function of refrigerator, as we know, to remove heat from low temperature body to high temperature body. So low temperature body is nothing but the refrigerated space. From that low temperature body, we are continuously removing heat by using external energy source, which is nothing but electrical energy. So we will discuss about refrigerator first. So function of refrigerator is to remove heat from low temperature body and supply it to high temperature body. So low temperature body is nothing but refrigerated space, which is maintained at temperature TL. This is nothing but our refrigerator, and this is nothing but atmosphere, which is maintained at temperature TH. And here one thing is important: TH is greater than TL, means atmospheric temperature is greater than refrigerated space. So what is the function of refrigerator? By absorbing external work W, this refrigerator is able to draw Q2 amount of heat from this refrigerated space, and Q1 amount of heat is rejected to atmosphere. So this is the function of refrigerator, to absorb heat from low temperature reservoir and supply to a high temperature reservoir by using external work. Similarly, in case of refrigerator, W is equals to Q1 minus Q2. What is by Q1? Heat supplied. What is by Q2? Heat rejected. Here we are not using a word efficiency. In case of refrigerator, efficiency is called as coefficient of performance, and it is written as COP. So COP is similar to efficiency. So COP of refrigerator, coefficient of performance of refrigerator, is equals to output divided by input. So similarly, in this case, we have to find what is the output of refrigerator, what is the input of refrigerator. So in case of refrigerator, Q2 is the output. Q2 is the output and W is the input. So this is equals to COP of R refrigerator is equals to Q2 output divided by W. So we will further simplify this. So Q2 divided by, we know that W is equals to Q1 minus Q2. So further this will be simplified like this. So COP of R is equals to 1 divided by 1 minus Q2 by Q1. So this is the formula used to find coefficient of performance of refrigerator. Next we will discuss about heat pump. Now we will discuss about heat pump. So heat pump is nothing but a device which transfer heat from low temperature body to high temperature body. So definition of heat pump is similar to refrigerator, but function of refrigerator and heat pump is different. The function of refrigerator, or why refrigerator is used. So refrigerator used to maintain refrigerated space at low temperature. refrigerated space at low temperature, while heat pump is used to maintain heated space or we can say that warm space at high temperature. So this is the difference in between refrigerator and heat pump. Now we will discuss about heat pump. As you know, function of heat pump is to maintain warm or heated space at high temperature. So first it will consist of warm or heated space, which is maintained at temperature TH. Second is nothing but cold space. Suppose here cold space is cold atmosphere, which is maintained at temperature TL, and heat pump. Here one thing is important, TH is greater than TL. Again, warm and heated space is nothing but our house. Because we want to maintain a certain temperature in winter season. So for that we are removing heat from atmosphere, and that heat we are supplying to our house by using heat pump. So how heat pump works? So by absorbing W amount of work, this heat pump is able to draw Q2 amount of heat, and this heat pump will supply Q1 amount of heat to warm or heated space. So similarly, in case of heat pump, W is equals to Q1 minus Q2. What is by Q1? Q1 is nothing but heat supply, Q2 is heat rejected. So again, in case of heat pump, we are not using a word efficiency, we are using a word COP. So COP is nothing but coefficient of performance of heat pump is equals to output divided by input. So similarly, we have to find what is the output of heat pump and what is the input of heat pump. So output of heat pump is nothing but heat supplied to warm space, and input is nothing but work. So COP of heat pump is equals to output is Q1 divided by W. Further we will simplify this. So Q1 divided by Q1 minus Q2. So further we will simplify this. So this is equals to 1 upon 1 minus Q2 by Q1. So this is the formula used to find COP of heat pump. Again, one important relation with COP of heat pump and COP of refrigerator is COP of heat pump is equals to COP of refrigerator plus 1. This is very important formula we are getting by comparing COP of refrigerator and COP of heat pump. So in this session we discussed heat pump, what is meant by heat engine, what is meant by refrigerator, and what is meant by heat pump.